Okay, I'm revising these topics. In our previous class, we have learned reading, writing, editing, and script generating. In our today class, we will start statistical analysis in R. So, our first topic is descriptive statistics. So, when you want to perform statistical analysis, the first question which should be arise in your mind: what is descriptive statistics? Why do we perform descriptive statistics? Type of descriptive statistics and how to arrange data for descriptive statistics. Now, to find the answer of this question, first we need to understand these questions. So copy these questions, open ChatGPT, and you can also search these questions on Google because no AI tool are also integrated into Google. So you can also seek help from Google. But I will prefer ChatGPT. Paste these questions. First is what is descriptive statistics? Why do we perform? And type of descriptive statistics. And I will send this message to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give me the answer of these questions. The first question is, what is descriptive statistics? So the answer is, descriptive statistics is a branch of statistics that deal with summarizing, organizing, and presenting data in a meaningful way. In simple word, it will summarize your dataset, will provide you summary of your dataset, will organize your dataset for further analysis, or it will provide you base for further analysis. So it helps us to understand the basic feature of patterns about your dataset within dataset without making general conclusions behind the data. So in simple word, descriptive statistics describe what the data show. So what is in your dataset, how many variables found in your dataset, how many observations found in your dataset, what is the mean of your first variable, what is the mean of second variable, what is the mean of third variable, what is median, mode, frequency, and all basic things you can find with the help of descriptive statistics. Why do we perform descriptive statistics? Number one, understanding the data set. So, know what the data look like. Distributions, patterns, and mistakes are missing values in your data set. Summarize large data. Convert thousands of values into meaningful numbers like mean, median, and standard deviation. For example, you have 1000 observations for first variable. You can take its mean. All 1000 values will be converted into one single value. So it will summarize your dataset. Compare different groups, identify trends, prepare for further analysis, and present results in research. Next is type of descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics mainly include three main categories. Number one, measure of central tendency. In central tendency, we can find mean, median, mode. Second, measure of variability. In measure of variability, show how spread out our disperse the data is. We will find range, variance, standard deviation, and IQR value. Next is frequency and distribution measurement. So first is count. You can find frequency per percentage, skewness, kurtosis, and table and graph. Summary table, showing you central tendency, variation, and distribution. So it is a summary of your previous main topic. So in central tendency, we can find mean, median, mode. Variation, we can find ST, variance, range. Distribution, we can find his. We can create histogram, percentage, and find skewness. I am sharing this information with you in group. So when you find time, please must read this information. I have shared information within group. Okay. Now please, all participant, now you have, sorry, next step is data set. Today we will not use ficus data. Today we will create sample data with the help of AI. So our next question is how to arrange data for specific analysis, or how to arrange data set for descriptive statistics. So no, please, it is very important point. No, write a message to ChatGPT after finding the three questions. We need to write a message to ChatGPT. Thanks. No, I need sample data table for each type of descriptive statistics. So there are three types of descriptive statistics. It will give us three type of descriptive statistics result. Each type of descriptive statistics, and send this message to ChatGPT. It will show you sample data. So you can arrange your own data set according to your requirement. So if you, for example, you have a raw data set, so here is the sample data for descriptive statistics. If you want to perform sample data, if you want to perform descriptive statistic on your research data, you need to arrange your data set according to this sample data. So here is the sample data for measure of central tendency. Here is the measure of dispersion and frequency distribution. And the other things are also given. Okay, now I want to do practice, or I want to generate sample data related to my field of study. So today you will work on your own field of study. For example, if your field of study is finance, business, economics, English, geography, biological sciences, chemistry, you will need to define your field of study. For example, I want to create sample data set. Here I have write a message. Thanks, now I need sample data table for each type of descriptive statistics related to, and give here your subject name, or even you can give your title name. Then ChatGPT will give you accurate sample data table related to, for example, my field of study is plant science, so I will write a message plant science related to plant science. And send this message. No, it will give me data related to plant science or botany. If your field of study is business, you will write here related to business. It will provide you data set related to business. If your field of study is uh, mathematics, you will write a message related to mathematics. It will give you sample data related to mathematics. So it will be very easy to understand because it is related to your own data set. Now in my site, I get a sample data. No, I need this data in Excel sheet. For example, I don't have my own data set. I want to do practice on this data. So I will write message to ChatGPT. Thanks. No, I need this data in Excel sheet, and send message. It will give me ready to use Excel sheet for descriptive statistics. So you can arrange your original data according to sample data. I am also sharing this file with you. or you can also generate your own data set. Batch 103. Descriptive statistics, and save. You can open this file. Here are the three different type of data set. First is central tendency for variability and for distribution. Now I have single Excel file, but in single Excel file there are three sheets. I am sharing this data within group. So please all participant download this data and type done within Zoom chat so that I can move to next step. I have shared a file named Descriptive Statistics. You can also generate sample data related to your own field of study. Please all confirm if you have done or you have generated, type done. I have okay. I also sharing here in Zoom chat, but my preference will be will you generate your own data set. I also have shared in Zoom chat. Please all participant confirm if you have done, type done within Zoom chat so that I can move to next step. Please all confirm. Okay, now next step is the, no, please all participant download this data. Now I am giving you task. I am sharing these 4 questions. Ask these questions from ChatGPT and generate your sample data related to your field of study. I have generated sample data for botany. So please all try to generate and confirm me after generated, or if you want to use this sample data, you can also use this sample data. I already have shared in group as well as in Zoom chat. Okay, after getting data, next step are same. First you need to import this data into R. So click on import dataset from Excel, select your file. File name is descriptive statistics. When you select this file, it will show you 3 sheets. By default, sheet 1 will be appeared. And if you click on sheet button, there is a sheet button default. Click on sheet button, it will show you multiple sheets which are available in this data set. First is central tendency. If you want to perform central tendency, You need this file if you want to perform variability. You need variability file. If you need distribution, you need distribution file. So first step is central tendency. I will select central tendency and we'll click on import dataset. Now my data is successfully imported into R. And next step is take its str, descriptive statistics, and send message to ChatGPT. It will give you structure of your data. Okay, Shabab Ali, please wait. Just let me complete this step. Then I will allow you for screen sharing one by one. Okay, now copy the script. Open WhatsApp group. Sorry, ChatGPT. Paste and write a message. Thanks. Now I want to perform descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics in R and send this message to ChatGPT. Because we have not defined which type of descriptive statistic we need, ChatGPT will give us script by default. So when you defined I need central tendency, then it will find you central tendency. If you want to perform mean, it will give you mean value. If you need mod, it will give you mod value. So here is the script. Many scripts are given here. So step number 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write a message. I need all script in single quote. Script in single code. All code in single script. All code are in single script. Then it will give you all code in single script. Okay, here is the complete script for plot as well as for results. Copy this code, open R, paste in line number 11 on my site, and will run. First step is we need to do library read Excel for to import Excel file, but we already have Excel file in R, so we don't need to run this code. Next, it's showing me plant descriptive statistics.xls. Not found. So here is the journal script. If you read your script carefully, it's showing me make sure the file plant in your working directory are given full path. So my file name is descriptive statistics, not plant descriptive statistics. So I will change here from, I will change this name because it is not my file name. My file name is descriptive. Descriptive underscore statistics and run this code. Now it's working. Next step, it's showing me descriptive statistics does not exist. So I will copy this one, replace maybe spelling mistake. Also remove inverted comma and no will run. But again showing me path must be string. So it is not a path, it is file name. So I will copy this one, will provide to ChatGPT and will send message. It will read this error and will give us suggestion how to or how we can delete or remove or change this script. So ChatGPT give me a new script. So I will copy first one, open R, will replace with previous one and will run it from start. Now it's working. Next step, apply descriptive statistics. So these are the formulas for mean height, median height, minimum height, maximum height, range, and other things. So here are the results in scale number 2. Mean, median, maximum value, and minimum value. Now after running this one, we need to run summary statistics. Now it's showing us summary statistics of descriptive statistics. Nice summary table. So here is the summary table. Next step is plot. So here is the histogram of descriptive statistics, box plot of descriptive statistics, and then when we run this line, save to some CSV file, it will save us all results in the CSV file. Okay, so here are the results of descriptive statistics. Please all participant, now start your work. Follow these instructions and create table and plot and share within group. Okay, now please all participant perform work. Now I have done one type of descriptive statistic, which is mean, median, mode, or central tendency. If you want to perform second type, again click on import dataset from Excel, click on browse and choose second sheet. So plot height descriptive summary. Here is the output file which is generated now, but I want to import Excel file for descriptive statistics. No, you can again check from sheet where second sheet, next sheet is for variability. Select variability and click on import button. It will import second sheet. So in this way you can import every sheet in your Excel file. Now please all participant perform work and share your results within group. So your task is first you need to read these 4 questions. What is descriptive statistics? Why do we perform descriptive statistics? Type of descriptive statistics, and then you need to move to sample data set, check sample data table, and then generate sample data table with the help of AI. If you have your own data set, that's good. You can use your own data set for practice. Today you are allowed to use your own data set for descriptive statistics. So perform all type of descriptive statistic on your data set, create your plots and tables and share your results within group. Okay, good. Dr. Asif Ali, you have done many things. Okay. No, please, all participants share. And if you have any question, you are allowed to ask. Please all confirm. If clear, then start your task. And if you have any question, you are allowed to ask. You can share your question within Zoom chat also. Yes, Fakhruddin, please open your mic. Or you can type your question, or you can open your mic. Your mic also allowed. And
Okay,
please,
ji, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Salam. Yes, sir.
Uh, from starting to today class, what I understand that the using AI, I think we can do every statistical analysis. The technique is at first we type in
First, we find the
STR.
questions, few questions. For example, these are very simple analysis, but maybe in your research, some analysis which are new for you. So first you need to
Yes,
solve
yes, yes,
what is, for example,
yes.
structural equivalent modeling. For example, it is new for you. Your supervisor is
Mm.
saying perform SEM. So it's new for you.
Ji.
So first you need to understand what is SEM. Then you need to understand why we are going to perform SEM on our dataset. What will
Yes,
tell you
yes.
SEM? Then you need to move how many type of SEM and which is suitable for my dataset.
Uh,
Okay. Then you can also
okay.
generate sample data from ChatGPT so that you can arrange your original data according to sample data.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Now I understand.
Okay.
Ji,
Thank you.
yes, yes. Okay.
Okay.
And yeah, technique is money. Technique is STR.
Yes,
The
technique is same
equivalent
which we
code.
have done, practice for multiple times. Important
Oh,
point,
yeah.
getting data. After getting data, you need to just take
Hmm.
str and give any command which you have in your mind.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Now I understood. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Mm.
Okay. Now please do practice and share your results within group. In our tomorrow class, we will work on t-test and we will also work on how to interpret these results. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.